I love seafood boils, and my brother David does it the best, but I just wanted a simple, easy dish in the kitchen today. So I did shrimp seafood boils in foil packets in the oven, and of course with Bacon Up. Let me show you what I did. You're gonna start with the big scoop of Bacon Up to make the sauce for your seafood boil packets. You're gonna melt this in the microwave, add your lemon juice and all your spices. So we've added in all our spices into the Bacon Up with the lemon juice and garlic, and now we're gonna pour it over the corn, potatoes, and sausage and get these ready to assemble into our foil packets. Super easy. Got all the veggies, the corn, potatoes, and sausage all tossed together. Layer in this shrimp. Your final step, take your foil, fill up your pan with the corn, sausage, shrimp, and potatoes. We're just gonna finish off with a little parsley, some fresh lemon, and wrap it up. Now that they're all wrapped up, put them in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. So good, all the flavor without all the fuss. Don't forget to use the Bacon Up. Here's all the ingredients you will need.